It's April 22nd and we're taking a look at the service. We're gonna make some modifications. We're gonna put a trough in here. We're gonna come out of this meter pan. We're gonna go into this trough. And then this SEU cable that's in this sleeve here, we're gonna go directly into the trough from here. We're gonna go over some fittings and some options of where we're gonna do this. Let's take a walk. So just for clarification purposes, this sleeve is gonna come out and the SEU cable is just gonna be dangling. So we're gonna use this to go up into that, and that'll stub right into the box. So I'll try to pan back. And this, of course, will be in here, like so. And this box will be moved over a little bit. But I'm sure you get the idea of what's going on. And into that, like that. I just had tape on this just to hold it in place. I didn't want to glue it together. And this, of course, will be right here. All right. And that will bring the conductors out of the load side of this breaker and into this trough, right? Now, how we get this SEU cable into here, we're going to use an offset. Now, this is 1.25 inches, to which I'd rather not use because it's tight. So this will go in there and it would set into the box itself. Now this PVC pipe is 1.25 inches. This is also 1.25 inches. I'm not sure how tight it is getting the cable through there. So I left another option, is using 1.5 inches. Now the problem with the 1.5 inches is it's too tight to get in here, as you could see. It goes into it. So one of the options that could possibly be done is cut this off, even over here some. Way into the actual vent, and then use that to get inside the box. So in essence, cutting that section off would bring this back to wherever it needs to be to get into the box. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So it'll go something like this. And go into there. And have a connector on this, of course. And so in essence, what we have is the offset connector going into the LB, and LB going to the box, and then some sort of pipe work to get from this point over to the box over here. Worst case scenario, we can make a custom offset. I have a hot box where we can bend some pipe and get this go together without using these prefabbed fittings. The rest of the materials in this box, got an assortment of stuff. Also have hot dipped galvanized Kindorf. This is what we're going to mount the trough on behind it. We're going to have two legs, one going up behind it and the other one going up behind it, and the box is going to get mounted to that Kindorf. That Kindorf is ready to be outside. If we need any sticks of PVC, these are both schedule 80. It doesn't look like we're going to need much, if any. We might need the 1.5 inches to make that custom bend with the hot box, but it doesn't look like we're going to need the 1.25 inches. So that winds it up. Signing off.